Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the webinar Automate Employee Management in just 30 minutes. So we are already on time, so I think it's good to start. Thanks for joining the webinar. Thank you everyone for your time. So we'll start with the webinar. So to give a background of this webinar, so we all know that efficient employee management is key to running an organization successfully. However, there are traditional methods uh, which involve a lot of consumption of time and errors in the process. So, in this webinar, we are trying to dwell into this topic where we will learn how to automate key aspects of employee management using modern platform like our platform. Will also guide you on creating seamless system that saves time, reduces error, and boosts productivity. Whether it's HR functionality or operations functionality, sales functionality, so it's very seamless to create to implement automation and create workflows in modern tools like Kovaion app builder. So with this, I will hand over it to Mr. Anand Kumar, who is our associate R&D, who has a hands-on experience in creating these kind of automation tools on our platform. So he will take over the webinar. Thank you. Over to you, Anand.
Thanks, Manoj. Welcome everyone to today's webinar, Automate Employee Management in just 30 minutes. I am Ananda Kumar Murugan, Associate R&D at Kovaion. I am thrilled to have you to join us. We dive into how automation can simplify and transform the way we manage employees. Let's make this session practical and engaging and informative for you. In today's fast-moving world, businesses need smart solutions to stay competitive, and managing employees is no different. Automation is not just a nice to have, it's essential. It helps save time, reduce manual works, and creates more productivity and motive workforces. In next 30 minutes, we will explore how you can use automation to improve employee management. From simplifying payroll and tracking attendance to improving onboarding and offboarding processes. We will focus on key areas where automation can make a big differences. We will also explore some cutting edge trends such as AI-powered systems and predictive analytics that are shaping the future of employee management. By the end of the session, you will have the actionable insights to implement in organization, saving time, reducing errors, and ultimately driving better results. So let's kick off the session, exciting journey together, starting with a quick overview of why automation is cornerstone of modern employee management. Thank you for joining, and let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let me walk through today's agenda, which is designed to help you understand the transformative potential of automation in employee management. We will start by answering the important question, why automate employee management? Here, we will explore the key benefits of automation, including saving time, improving accuracy, and enhancing overall employee satisfaction. Next, we will dive into the key areas of employee management automation. We will learn about the critical processes such as payroll, attendance tracking, onboarding, and performance management that can be streamlined with the right tools. Then we will focus on the payroll automation, a game changer. Payroll is one of the most time consuming and error prone tasks. But with automation, it can become efficient and accurate and stress free. Following that, we will talk about the workflow automation, the Kovaion approach. Here, we will share how Kovayon's expertise can help businesses implement dynamic, flexible, that adapt to your organization's needs. Finally, we will discuss attendance tracking made easy. You will see how automating attendance processes can simplify clocks in, ensure accuracy, and integrate seamlessly with the payroll for smoother operations. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how automation can simplify complex and save resources and improving employee experiences. Let's get started with our first topic: why automation, automate employee management. Why should we automate employee management? The reasons are compelling. Automations not only saves valuable time by handling repetitive and difficult tasks, but also ensure improved accuracy, significantly reducing the chances of human errors. They directly enhance employee satisfaction as they expertise smoother and more efficient processes. Beyond these immediate benefits, automations empowers organizations to stay compliant by streamlining operations and keeping all documentations in order. It also boosts overall productivity and freeing up HR teams and managers to focus on other more strategic and high impact tasks. With automated system, you gain access to real-time data and analytics, enabling better decision making and workforce planning. Moreover, the resources allocations becomes more optimized, ensuring employees are deployed where they are most effective. Data security is another crucial benefit, as automated system minimize the risks of breaches by implementing robust security measures. And let's not forget to how it simplifies the onboarding and offboarding experiences, making transition seamless for both employees and HR. Finally, automations collaborations by centralizing communications and documentations and making everything easily accessible for all other stakeholders. Then, key areas of employee management. Automations can transform nearly every aspect of employee management. Let's start with the payroll processing. It eliminates the hassle of manual calculations and ensuring accurate salaries, timely payments, and compliance with the taxes and laws. Attendance tracking is another key area. Automated tool in seamlessly record work hours and calculate overtime and integrate with the payroll. Then next is onboarding and offboarding, where automation simplifies everything from document submission to resource allocations and ensuring a smooth transition of employees. Performance reviews benefits immensely from automated tracking of goals and feedbacks and making evaluations fair and data driven. And then leave management becomes the breeze with the automated requests and real-time balance tracking and seamless integrations with the other systems. And then recruitment workflows are also streamlined with the automated resume screenings and interview scheduling. And compliance management ensures the your records are always in line with labor laws and reducing risks. And training and development tools are the track of employee progress and recommended upskilling and opportunities. And expense management systems are automated claim approvals and while employee engagement tools, collaborations and communications. These solutions are collaborative drive efficiently and allowing organizations to focus on strategic growth. Let's deeper into these areas to understand their impacts. Payroll automation, a game changer. A payroll is one of the most time intensive and error prone tasks for HR teams and managers. With automation, salary calculations and tax deductions are handled seamlessly and ensuring compliance with the local taxes and laws and labor regularization. This is not only reduces the risks of management manual entries, but also saves the countless hours of administrative efforts. Payroll automations can generate accurately pay slips effortlessly and ensure that employees are paid on time and trust and satisfactions. It generates the accurate pay slips. It provides the employees with the detailed and error-free pay slips and reduces the manual risks and errors. It minimizes the mistakes caused by the human oversight in data entry, and it provides the employees with a self-service portal for the payroll inquiries for empowers employees to access the payroll details independently. And then integrations with the attendance and leave systems further streamlines the entire process, making payroll more efficient. And then the another great feature is the employee self-service portal for the where the staffs can view their pay slips and the tax informations and the deductions with the contacting HR. For management, payroll automations provides a real-time analytics and reports for helping them to make informed decisions. In short, automations payroll is a game changer for any organizations that looks to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and the employee satisfactions. It offers the real-time payroll analytics and reporting for the management. It delivers the insights to help management and optimize and payroll strategies. And then the advanced workflow and then the advanced workflow automations. When we have compared the standard workflow logics to advanced workflow logic, the differences are stark, and the standard workflows are hard coded and fixed and always following the same path only. They are rigid with the predefined steps that are difficult to modify. This session, this makes them suitable for simple and straightforward tasks that have simple predictable outcomes. However, any changes required to manual coding, which can be time consuming. These are the workflows, standard workflow logics. Actually, it is a hard coded and fixed. It follows a only single path each time. And standard workflow is a hard to compare advanced workflow logics with predefined steps that cannot be easily changed. And it is suitable only for the straightforward tasks with the single outcomes. And then it requires the manual coding and updates for any changes. It is limited to simple and repetitive process. At the same time, on the other hand, the advanced workflows are dynamic and highly flexible. They can adapt to changing the inputs and conditions in real time. These workflows handle multiple outcomes and branching paths and difficult conditions with easy. Instead of coding, users can simply drag and drop nodes, connects, and paths and set properties and making updates effortlessly. Advanced workflows go beyond repetitive tasks and supporting complex scenarios with many layers of actions and decision points. Actually, advanced workflow dynamic and allowing flexible paths to changing inputs and outputs with the difficult conditions. It adapts easily to various scenarios to connecting paths, adjusting automatic condition changes. It can handle multiple outcomes and paths and the difficult conditions. Users can simply drag and drop the nodes and connect those paths and set the properties for the nodes and the paths. It for no coding required. It expands to support complex workflows with many branches and paths and actions. These evolutions are in workflow logic empowers organizations to move from rigid systems to adaptive. It is an intelligent process that can handle the complexity of modern operations. And then attendance tracking made easy. Attendance tracking no longer needs to rely on outdated and error-prone systems. Digital tools are now make it possible to automate clocks in and clocks out, ensuring data is accurate and eliminate the manual errors. These systems provide real-time insights into attendance and allowing organizations to stay informed at all the times. It integrations with the payroll ensures seamless operations and saving administrative efforts and reducing the chances of payroll errors. And advanced systems can also automatically track the absence, late arrivals, and overtime, and making workforces management much simpler. Biometric systems and mobile apps add an extra layer of the accuracy and flexibility, especially for remote or hybrid teams. Attendance tracking tool is also offer a powerful reporting capabilities and enabling HR and management to analyze the trends and address the impact and address the errors proactively. Automated alerts helps ensure compliance with the company policies, which self-service features allows employees to view or correct the attendance records without delays. These are the advantages of tracking the and attendance tracking made easy. By adopting the modern attendance tracking solutions, organization saves the time and reduce the administrative burdens and gain the valuable insights into the work process productivity. And then the futures of the employee management. The future of the employee management is truly transformative. Predictive analytics will allow organizations to make proactive decisions such as identifying the potential risks or workforces planning needs well in advance. The AI powered systems are revolution operations by taking over the complex, time consuming tasks and enabling HR teams to focus more on strategy and less on administrative. And then the employee management and satisfaction will remain at the heart of these advancements. Personalized experiences will become the norm as AI and data analysts tailoring learning and development and career growth opportunities to individual needs. Imagine having an AI driven systems that recommends training based on the performance, trends, or further skills requirements. We will also see the integrations of real time feedback management and ensuring continuous improvements in employee performance and satisfaction. And the blockchain technology will play a role in creating the secure and transparent systems for managing employees and data and contracts and payrolls. In additionally, we will program the powered by technology will promote health and reduce stress and boost productivity across the workforces. In hybrid and remote workforces, employment environment advanced collaboration tools with foster better communications and the team management. The, the future is not just about managing employees, but empowering them to thrive their dynamic and innovative workforces. The advanced workflow is planning using data-driven insights. The real-time feedback systems are continuous performance of improvements in organizations. And then let's move into the demo session. Now let me show you just simple and intentive. It's to build your own app using the Kovaion app builder platform. Firstly, I will open the Kovaion AI. I will open the Kovaion app builder websites right here. On the top of the home page, we will see the let's start building your app button. I will go ahead and click that. In this, it redirects you to the sign up page and located for the here we have prompted with the field titled tell us more about your requirements. For this demo, I will enter the employee management as our requirements. Once I entered employee management. Once I entered it, I will click on generate using AI. Now, the platform's AI steps in to provide a pre-generated prompt tailored to employee management. This includes key functionalities like employee profiles, attendance tracking, payroll integrations, and onboarding processes, and performance management. A comprehensive setup to streamlining HR operations. Once the AI generates the app framework, we will redirect to the click next to the. These are the choose the default application. In this tab, in Kovaions, we provided some pre-built apps. If we want to select it, then click next. If now for this demo, I don't want this, so I will skip now. In this, enter your name. Enter my email. And enter your country code. I will enter my mobile number. By moving on, you will check the terms and conditions and the policy provided by the Kovaion. And then all the details are filled. Then click the next. You will be redirected into the OTP page. In this, the OTP is sent to your email for the further updates. Here is the notifications for the OTP. Thanks for the registering Kovaion AI Builder platform. Once I enter the password, to that the enter OTP, and then if you get any error in this OTP, you also resend the OTP. For now, I click the submit. In this, your application is building. Once the AI generated the app framework, you will redirect it to our default templates. This servers is ready to use the starting point of your application. Behind the scenes, in the platform backend is hard to work using the advanced workflow automations and AI. It's creating your application based on the requirements and you provided employee management. The system is setting up all the necessary modules, workflows, and integrations to match your needs. Once the process is completed, we will redirect it to the fully functional preview of our application. Here is once the application is created, next at the point we will see the message saying your application is building. After that, you will see that your application is ready to build. In this, it is some tutorials for the newly entered customers. Click on the Kovaion brand logo to launch the platform and access the dashboard. And then it is the button to create the new applications. Follow the steps to customize your configurations, your apps effectively. These are the newly entered customers. Once the process is completed, we will direct it to the fully functional preview of our applications. Here, what we find a sample form in this employee management. You will see the sample form and the sample dashboard. In this form, it's tailored for employee management that includes the fields like first name, last name, and the employee email, and the employee date of birth, and the employee department, position, client location, and then employee number, and then start date, manager name, and the employee is currently active or inactive. These are the sample details for the employee. Everything you needs to capture employee information efficiently. In this, if you want to add some more employees, you can create employee and then you can add some employees here also. It is a pre-built app, so you can also want to create a new app, new employees, or you want to add some more employees, you can create the employee management form and you can create also. And then a sample dashboard. It is a employee management sample dashboard. Here the dashboard displays the key metrics of under sample data, giving a clear visualization of your live applications. You will see the widgets of the department chat and the location chat. Then you will see the number of employees, where the number of we sampled 10 employees, that the number of employees, and the human resource employees. These are the count. The human resource employees means the position of the human resource position. How many employees are present in the human resource employees, and how many of the employees presented in the information technology. These are the counts, and this chart explains the department, IT department, how many employees are there in the IT, how many employees are there in the chart team, and how many employees are there in the operations team and finance team and sales team. These are the department chart that's explained by the pie chart. And then these are the location that it is explained by the bar chart, and then it's a head office, branch office, how many people is located in the where the employee is located, remotely or home office or client. These are the locations. In for example, in head office, two people are working on the head office, and the two people are working on the branch office, and two people are working on the remote. These are the sample data. This bar chart and the counts are the based on the AI given the sample data. So here we will see the full employee details. Okay. Here is the full few employees details here over here, and then at this stage you can explore the applications and test the features and the further customizations elements to meet your specific needs. And then If you want to edit something here, I want to add some more fields or some names changes, you can here to edit the form and edit here first name. I don't want the first name, so you can change the first name without the space, then you can change, or you can add any some more field. I want to add the time date picker for date of join the employee, you can add here to date of join employee. So you can customize everything here also. It can here it customize the form also here. You can add text field, text area, autogen, rich text editor, and search field, and html codes. You can change the and also you can change the existing details also. For now it's I don't want the name email, I want email id, so you can change it here and then save it here, so it will changes the email id. Now for now it changes the email id, and then you click done button and deployed the changes. You can deploy here, and in this page all the edited pages are here. In that I want to deploy this employee management form only, so I would click here and publish and done, and then you will see the changes here. Employee management forms, here you will see the employee email id. Okay, and then I add the some one employee name such as my employee, my email id, and then date of birth, then department, position, location, and then give status. Yeah, I added the some my details to this and click save. It will create the own forms as here. We will see the first name of my name and last name. Here you can add some more details or some employees details here over here. So at this stage you can explore the applications and test it for future and further customizations elements to meet your specific needs. This demo showcases how the Kovaion app build platforms makes the app creation effortlessly. In just a few clicks and minimal time, your ideas are transformed into a fully furnishable applications. By empowering you to focus on building a better workforces. That concludes our demo of the Kovaion app builder platform. I hope you found it insightfully and inspiring it. Now, I did like to open the floor to any questions to make have. Feel free to ask about the demo, the platform, or how automation can transform your employee management processes. I'm here to help.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you very much for a very detailed and insightful session. Thanks for the hands-on demo also. We have some queries, but we also running short of time. We just have 2 minutes, so
Yeah,
we'll try
okay.
to quickly take up. One of the question is, what are the key benefits of automating employee management? Uh, yeah, thank you.
Automating employee management provides a multiple benefits that is time saving, improved accuracy, and enhanced compliance, and employee satisfactions, and the scalability, and reducing the times. By automating repetitive tasks like attendance tracking and payroll processing, that can HR can focus on the more strategic initiatives. Okay, that are the key benefits of the automative employee management.
Sure, got it, Anand. So follow up to that question is, how does Koyan App Builder simplify the creation of employee management?
The Kovaion app builder simplifies the app creation process by leveraging advanced AI and user-friendly features like AI-generated frameworks and no coding required. That is pre-built templates and customizable features like fields, workflows, and dashboards can adjustable to meet specific organizational needs and real-time deployments. The platforms automates the backend processes and delivering a functional app previews within the minutes. Though that's the simplified creation of the employee management applications. Yeah, you got it, Manoj.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Anand. So one more question is, so which are the areas that a platform like this can cover to automate the employee management?
Can you please repeat it?
What areas of employee management can be automated?
Yeah. Some several aspects of the employee manager can automated, including the attendance tracking and onboarding, offboarding, and the leave management and the performance tracking and the workflow automations. Like attendance tracking means digitally records the clocks in and outs and integrating with the payroll for seamless operations. And for onboarding and offboarding, it manages the document submissions and the training schedules and the exit formalities. For leave management, it tracks the leave balances and approval records and syncs data with the schedules. And then the performance reviews like facilitates feedback collections and goal settings and appraisal management. For workflow management, it automates the processes like expense claims and approvals and escalations to reduce the delays and ensure transparency. These are the areas of the employee management can be automated using these technologies.
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
There's one question.
yeah.
How does the platform handle customization of generated application?
The Kovaion app builder enables the seamless customizations to meet diverse organizational needs. One is editable templates. In editable templates, users can modify the pre-built templates by adding or removing fields and changing layouts or integrating additional modules. For workflow modifications, the drag and drop the interfaces that allows user to design the workflows with the dynamic parts and the branching logics. And the other one is dashboard personalizations. Users can select the widgets and display to relevant metrics like attendance rates and the payroll summaries or employee performance states. In integration operations, the platform supports the integrations with the other tools like payrolls and the software and analytics systems and CRMs. And then the user roles and the permissions like administrations can define users' roles and access the levels to ensure secure operations. These are the handles customizations of the generated applications.
Okay, got it, Anant. Due to short of time, I think there are a couple of more questions.
Yeah.
But due to short of time, I think we'll have to continue.
Yeah.
So thanks for that, Anand, for a detailed webinar and addressing the queries.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
thank you very much. So
It's
thanks.
nice.
Yeah, thank you. So just to let the audiences introduce about Kovaion. So we are a 15-year-old organization. Um, as a Kovaion, our legacy has been into Oracle services implementation and managed services, and also digital transformation to these enterprise clients. Um, and the platform that you saw in the demo is another initiative of Kovaion for digital transformation of small and medium scale and also enterprise companies in an innovative way. So we are a 250 plus employees, and we have physical presence in India, US, UK, and Philippines. And we have clients across the globe. So if you are interested to know more about our platform, feel free to reach out on sales@kovaion.com or info@kovaion.com. So we will address your queries that you had related to the webinar also. Please feel free to write to us on the email ID. Thank you and have a good day.